this video, I will try to make a volcano by using a chemical reaction, that is decomposition of ammonium dicromate. An alcohol soaked fuse is placed on ammonium dicromate and ignited it with matchstick. After ignition, as the temperature increases, therefore ammonium dicromate decomposes to form nitrogen, water vapor, and greenish black chromium oxide. As the reaction proceeds and it generates heat, the dark solid, that is chromium oxide, is formed more rapidly. Flame spark can be seen shooting upward. Just look like a very real volcano.